Boeing and the environment are two words that do not go hand in hand. However, the big aircraft manufacturer is working hard to reduce its environmental footprint. Boeing is chasing that elusive combination of cost effectiveness and environmental sustainability. Composite materials like carbon fiber are widely used in modern aircraft manufacturing. Each Boeing 787 Dreamliner contains approximately 23 tons of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber gets used to reinforce plastic and other composites. In turn, those composites get used in the fuselage, wings, tails, doors, and the interior of the aircraft. It helps make the Dreamliner about 20% lighter than other comparably sized aircraft. Carbon fiber is made of carbon atoms bonded together within a glue-like polymer to form a long chain. Carbon fiber can be thinner than a human hair, and multiple carbon fiber chains can be twisted together like a yarn. Alternatively, carbon fiber can be woven together like a sheet of cloth. You might want to ask why aircraft manufacturers love this stuff. Here's why. Carbon fiber is much lighter but 5 times stronger than steel. In addition, carbon fiber is high in tensile strength, high in stiffness, has high levels of chemical resistance, a low weight to strength ratio, a low thermal expansion, and handles excessive heat well. With qualities such as these, aircraft manufacturers like Boeing use a lot of carbon fiber. Its 787 Dreamliner uses composites such as carbon fiber for about half of its airframe, including the fuselage and the wing. Because carbon fiber chains are so flexible, they allow Boeing to improve its aerodynamic efficiency of the aircraft. For example, the use of carbon fiber facilitated the creation of sweeping wingtips. This innovation can cut fuel consumption by around 5%. Carbon fiber has always been difficult to recycle. The strength of carbon fiber is also its own flaw. From an environmental perspective, carbon fiber cannot simply be melted down and reformed like other composite metals. To extract the valuable carbon, the tough polymers have to be burned off or chemically dissolved. Boeing has partnered with UK-based ELG Carbon Fiber to recycle excess aerospace carbon fiber. Scrap material gets collected at Boeing's facilities. ELG then treats it in a furnace to remove binding polymers. The end product is a clean material that gets sold to third parties. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, check out the other videos on the channel.